episodes, but I just want to give an important announcement about the channel and about real life. Wendy's currently has $1 fries for every size. That means large, medium, and small fries all cost $1. That's insane. And Wendy's fries are usually pretty fucking expensive. So this is my only announcement. I just wanted to say that you should get Wendy's large fries. Because, I mean, they're pretty expensive usually. They hike up the price of shit. So I got 2 large fries and a barbecue sauce packet. So I don't know, guys. Just giving you an announcement. Hop into Wendy's. I don't know. They're not really advertising this, so I thought I'd disseminate the knowledge about this.